Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another amazing unboxing video, and today I will be unboxing this Bella Vita Luxury Perfumes. If any one of you don't know what is this Bella Vita perfume, then I'm playing a video. Watch it.
Whenever I used to pass by people, मैं यही सोचता था यार कि why can't everyone smell beautiful? And that's exactly when I turned my passion into my mission and launched Bella Vita Luxury Perfumes. हमने 2 साल लगाए with the best perfumery teams across the globe to develop best luxury perfumes in India. You can experience Bella Vita Luxury Perfumes only for ₹299. Once you experience the perfumes, you're gonna think कि यार ये इतने affordable हैं कैसे? We import all our perfume oils from the globe, but we bottle these perfumes in India. The perfumes are very long lasting, they smell amazing, and do not hurt your pocket either. Switch to Bella Vita Luxury and you will thank me later.
So here I am to give a try on to these perfumes, and I am going to give my honest review regarding this. You can also get these perfumes on the Bella Vita app, which you can download it from the Play Store, or you can get these perfumes on the Nyka app. I have purchased it from Nyka. Packaging is also so good, it came in good condition. So guys, just look at the outbox. It is looking so good and luxurious. I'm just loving it. I brought this perfume package for ₹594, but the actual price of this perfume is $8 to $49. That means I have got it at a discount. So guys, just ignore my voice as it may be hearing awkward because I'm having fever for last 2 days and now I'm feeling little better, so I'm shooting this video. Ignore my voice and enjoy the video. OMG, just look at it. It's looking really so awesome. It's exactly same as I have seen there. I just hope that it smells also nice as it claims. And now let's try on all the perfumes. I just hope it smells soft because I cannot tolerate these strong smells. It must be something like flowery, soft to mild fragrance. Here I am testing the first one out. It is Glam. It smells good. Nice, cool. Now let's try the second one out. Second one is Honey. It's so cute. The bottles are really so cute. This one is also nice. It smells good. Now I'm going to test the third one. Both are pink as like the first one. One is rose and the first one was Glam. Good only, but I like the first and the second one more. Now the last one in black color written CEO. Oh wow, it's really so nice. This is the best one among the 4. All the 4 are nice, but the last one, this black one, I liked more. Lastly, I would love to thank Bella Vita team for making this beautiful, incredible perfumes. It also claims that these perfumes are long lasting. It is long lasting or not, I will let you know in the description box and in the comment box too after the day ends. So don't forget to check it out. And one more thing, not only these perfumes, there are other Bella Vita perfumes also available in the app. You can go through the app and check it out which one you like and you can have it for yourself. And these perfumes are really so mild, not so strong like those perfumes which attack the head. So definitely I'm going to give it a second try after I finish these perfumes. I hope you guys enjoyed my today's video. Thanks for watching and bye bye guys.